What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another accessory video for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're going to be taking a look at the Dbrand grip case. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. So it came out of a shipping package that came in the mail. This is the box that it came in. It says grip down here, and then a couple things that were in the package, as well as you get your microfiber cloth, a couple QR codes with some socials on there for Dbrand. So if you don't have any more polishing cloths, Dbrand sends you one that's got Dbrand logo on there. Pretty cool. Then we take a look at the box. Right, got Dbrand grip at the bottom, nothing on the sides, nothing on the top, just on the bottom. It says grip, and for what device? iPhone 17 Pro Max. In the back, we do have our Canada sticker, made in Canada. Right, and then this case box will open as such. All right, there's our grip case, and I decided to go with the skin. When you order these, you can order it just the grip case, just the skin. If you order the grip case, it typically comes with the skin. So whatever you're in the mood for, I typically like just going ahead and ordering a skin with it. And so I have the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I decided to go with the Cosmic Orange skin that we'll put on before we take a look at the case in the box. But this is what will go on the case. Now, assembly can be tough. Maybe that deters you from getting the grip case or even putting the skins on when you get it. I have a little helper that helps me put these on. They can be a little bit difficult, and if you're all about things being equal and even and looking perfect, if you mess it up, the aesthetic might bother you to the point where you don't even want to put the sticker on there. So it is something to think about when getting this case, but if you can get the sticker on there, then you're going to be able to have a case that's going to have some customization. So when we open it up, right here we've got purchased, we knew you would, delivered, you're welcome, and then install. There's only one correct way to do this, so you can go to dbrand.com/how to learn how to install your skin. All right, so we'll take a look at this. Before we put the skin on, we'll do our first look with just the case. Different look here with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and right off the get-go, the biggest difference is we've got the camera lip all the way around is going to be covering the plateau of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. You've got full coverage, so if you're looking to protect that camera plateau, the grip case is going to be able to do that for you. You can see we've got a little bit of a lip here, kind of a ripple, if you will. That'll help this case be able to lay flush, put it on its back and not wobble around. Right, you've got that same material that's on the back if you're used to the grip cases. If you're not, it feels more like hard plastic, if you will, but it's a great adhesive material for the sticker. So if you don't want a sticker on your case, you can go ahead and keep it just like this. You're gonna have the grip branding at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the case around the side. So we've got our camera control button here. It's textured. We've got our power button, which is textured. And then all across the grip case, which makes it super grippy, is all this material in between the buttons is super, super grippy. As you can see there, it's taken off some of my skin and dust from my fingers. It's so grippy, but grippy all the way around. Top, on the side. Got our action volume up and down. We've got more of that rubber on the side for good ergonomics and grip. And we've got our ports on the bottom. Looks like you'll be able to get a decent size USB-C in there. I do a lot of wireless charging anyway, so not a big deal there. Most chargers will fit in there. Right, and then on the inside, we've got our magnet. We've got the Dbrand logo. But I will say right off the get-go, one of the biggest differences that might cause some issues with folks to maybe not get this case, or at least just be a little bit disappointed, is there's no longer the microfiber lining, the fur mink coat, if you will, on the back that protects your device when you snap it in. So Dbrand decided to go with the same material that's on the back is pretty much the same material that's on the inside. I don't know if that has something to do with the efficiency of charging. Maybe they just wanted to cut costs or just try something altogether and take it out. It's possible they didn't know that the back of the device would be glass or that the device would be aluminum. So maybe they didn't think that they would need this in there this time, but that may be a deal breaker for you. It's not really a deal breaker for me. It does give you that extra security and comfort to know that you've got the microfiber lining in there, but definitely not a deal breaker for me. This is still a really good case that's going to give you some good drop protection. And again, the good customization with the different Dbrand stickers that you can put on there. Now we're going to try something new on the channel. All right, I cook with this thing, but we're going to go ahead and bring in a scale here. We've got it set to grams. Let's see how heavy the Dbrand case, the grip case will be. Go ahead and set that on there. Looks like we've got about 50 grams. So it is going to add a little bit of weight to your device. We'll take a look at the full weight when we put the phone in the case. We'll reset it. Let me take my hands off the desk. 50 grams. So this case is definitely not the lightest case, but when you're looking for something that's going to give you drop protection, when you're looking at the materials that are used on it to give you the grip and to give you that protection, you know, you can't really argue if it's going to add a little bit extra weight, because you're not probably getting this case for its minimalism, and you're getting it for its drop protection. And with all the Scratchgate nonsense going out, all bases are covered. So this part of the Dbrand experience, the grip case, may vary between users. Maybe you've got a good way to put this on. Maybe it takes a little bit of time if you want to be tedious and make sure it's perfect. But give me a second. We'll put this on and we'll be back and check it out on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. All right, there you guys have it. Took me about 12 minutes or so, 12-15 minutes to get the skin on. But here is the Cosmic Orange on the Dbrand grip case, and I think I did pretty good lining that up. I'm pretty proud of myself for being able to do it this time. I opted out of my helper helping me, and I did it myself, so pretty proud to be able to get that lined up. But let's go ahead and pop in the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. Go ahead and pop that in like that, and go ahead and get our first look. The iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Dbrand grip case, Cosmic Orange. Now, I really wanted to go with the Cosmic Orange because I like that color. Obviously, I like it. I got that iPhone. But again, with all the Scratchgate nonsense, the aluminum, why take the chance of banging up your phone? So, able to retain that Cosmic Orange color, but have the protection of Dbrand on there. So I'm really liking that. Let's take a look at the weight of the case now that it has the phone in it. I also have a screen protector on here as well, so do with that as you will when we're looking at the total weight. But from earlier it was 50 grams. We'll let this thing, see if we can get this thing to cancel out here. All right, we'll go ahead and put this on here. 50 grams from earlier. Looks like we're at 300 grams now between both of those. So 50 with the case alone, 300 with just the iPhone. We can fact check that here. Let's see if we get, so what we should get. And that's about what we get. 246, so plus the case, we're at about 300. Give or take there. Again, this is a kitchen scale, so it's doing its job. All right, we're about 300 grams total weight. Now we'll take a look at everything where it's supposed to be. So we got our plateau is covered on the back there. All right, nice cutout. We got the top, our side with the buttons and the grip. As you can see, there's some air holes here, so you can see the color of the device when we're in there. Some space there. Maybe that's another deal breaker for you if you don't like debris or anything getting in. Might get in there on the sides, but open for some air breathability. We got our ports at the bottom. Got our camera control power button there. And again, just another look at that. To test MagSafe, I have just a little pop socket accessory on here. You are able to get the MagSafe strength in there. Now this isn't the strongest accessory here, this Belkin socket, but just to show you that you're still going to be able to get that good MagSafe in there, that MagSafe strength, just like that. So you're going to be able to get your accessories. We've got that. Also got a wallet from MagBack. Pretty good strength there. For what it's worth, if you're doing some crazy stuff with your MagSafe accessories, a little plug to some other videos on my channel. I definitely would check out MagBack if you're looking for the strongest magnets in the game. But if you're looking for some pretty decent magnets, they're going to be able to let you add on your extra accessories. Dbrand grip case, it's going to have that. Now, last thing we'll check, I know you guys out there are some tactile freaks for the buttons, so let's take a listen to the buttons here. We'll take it off camera. Pretty tactile. Also be able to put in, check out our ports, and we're able to get a USB-C port in there just fine. No big deal. So you'll be able to get your wireless charging with the MagSafe. You'll be able to get your basic cables in there for USB-C, giving you all the options to charge your device how you want. Are you feeling Dbrand? Are you a fan of the grip case? Do you like putting skins on your phone? Let me know. I'm digging this cosmic orange. Dbrand has got some pretty good cases. I'm a big fan of the grip, big fan of the ghost, and I like to customize, so it's all in one. You're getting that drop protection, tactility, your buttons, good grip and ergonomics. I think if you're looking for a case that's going to be able to give you a little bit of everything, I think the Dbrand grip case is a good case option for you. But that's it for me, guys. Dbrand grip case in cosmic orange. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to be a part of the community, go ahead and subscribe. We've got more iPhone, Apple, tech-related lifestyle content over on this channel, so join the growing community today if you want to be a part of that. Definitely appreciated. Loving this cosmic orange. That is it for me. Be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.